Hello, this is Sharif or Just Nailed It. This is Ladies of YouTube, Valentine edition. We are doing our Valentine collaboration. So me and the girls, we got together and we're going to do, we'll each individually do our own take on Valentine's, and this is going to be mine. On my paws I have, my left hand, I have my base coat. My niece found me one by Sinful. I am so excited, so I got first in line. Then, my ring finger. This polish here is my go-to for this Valentine season. It is Executive Sweet by Lady V Lacquer. Beautiful set of polishes. Love this one right here. Just love, love, love it. It is called Rum Punch. It is what I have on my nails here. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Really, really like them a lot. I won those on a giveaway at Instagram, and I am so grateful that I did, because I just really like them. Especially the Rum Punch. That one really got it for me. This one here, really like that one a lot. I'll be wearing that throughout, probably. I can see me wearing it in the summer too. So, we're going to get down to business here. I'm going to be doing some nail stamping for my Valentine collaboration, my part. First image I'm going to do is Stay Happy and Love Life. It is off of plate BP, which is for Born Pretty L012. I'm going to put that in black on my nail. Got my Born Pretty stamper, or scraper. This looks like a Born Pretty stamper, but it is not. So we're just going to call it a generic stamper. I got my trusty lint roller off to the side, as well as my remover pump, so I can clean my plates. And make sure you clean your plates and your stamper between each image. Gotta keep them clean, especially your stamper. So take your lint roller, remove any excess image that you do not want on your nails. I don't know if you can see, but that picked up beautifully. I'm going to do my best to line this up on my nails. Yeah, we're missing some letters. Oh, it says A-Appy of Life. That really, really sucks. So what I'm going to do, I do have a top coat on, so I'm going to try to remove the stamping. There we go. It's a great thing to do before you're going to stamp. Put your top coat on. I used my quick drying top coat. That way, if that happens, you're saved. But we're not going to be saved again though. One per customer. I don't know why that didn't pick up or transfer correctly. I don't know. So we're going to go back in with the black polish. Do this again. Then on the stamper, I just got to get them to transfer correctly. This time it should work. There we go. A little crooked, but it worked. Clean your stamper, clean your plate. I'm not sure what image I'm going to use next. I've got 3 plates out total. I've got a Bundle Monster dash S222 and a Year Sugar dash M01 So excuse me. Next I am going to be stamping in white, that much I do know. I did have this all planned out. I do believe I am done with this larger plate. So I'm going to set that back off to the side. I don't know what images to pick. I had this all worked out in my head. And I need a small image for my ring finger. I think I'm going to go with my Cupid right here. Gotta have Cupid for Valentine's Day. Wouldn't be right to not have them, wouldn't it? Well, that didn't pick up very well at all. It's just a big old blob. So we are going to scrap that image. Start again. I like to dry my plates in between. I don't know why, but I do. I don't use acetone, so that could be why. Oh, I forgot to turn the TV down, didn't I? Sorry about that. You don't need to know what's on the boob tube tonight. Okay, got a perfect image here. Gonna take the lit roller, remove the excess off the stamper. Oh boy, I can't tell how he's, okay, here we go. Sometimes these little images mess with my eyes. And there is Cupid. He has his arrow, ready to shoot somebody with a love dart. Who is it going to be this Valentine's? So we've got, oh, we got three thumbs, or three thumbs, 3 fingers left to do. Forgot I am going to do my thumb. I think now I'm going to skip over to my Your Sugar plate. I'm going to take some of the lips off of here and put on my middle finger. That image just speaks to me. That worked out well. Hope everybody's having a great Valentine's, or going to be having one. Let me know in the comments below. I always ask people what they're going to be doing for the holiday. I like to see what people are going to be doing, what they say. To me, what am I going to do? Oh, I know. I get to go to the doctor's that day and get shots in my wrist for carpal tunnel, so that's always going to be a plus. I am going to stop the stamping. Oh my goodness. I was going to use some tape to get the excess off here, but my tape is missing. It sits on a shelf beside my desk, but it's not there right now. So, I'm going to get my cleanup brush, go in with my remover, and remove this. That's the only cleanup we had to do, so it worked out alright. Okay, I'm going to skip over to my thumb. I don't know what to do. Oh, don't forget to watch all the other ladies' videos. Down in the comment section, there is going to be a pinned comment where with the playlist where you can watch everyone's videos. Please watch them entirety. Comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribe to their channels. I would really appreciate it. I think on my thumb I'm going to put the champagne glasses. I think I am. Yes, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you're going to be doing, like I said, for Valentine's. If you have any special plans. I don't. As of yet, I don't have any plans. And that's alright. They say it's a woman's holiday, so I'm going to take this holiday for me and spend it at home and maybe pamper myself. So here we go in with the champagne glasses. Oh, that looks really cute. I think it's all turning out well so far. Oh, I was going to put this on my thumb, wasn't I? Whoops. On my thumb I could probably fit 2 images at least. What should I do? We already have Cupid and the arrow. We could put February 14th. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I hope I've been in frame because I haven't been looking. Usually I look and try to make sure I'm in frame with everything I'm doing, but I haven't been. So if I'm not, oh, that's not a good pickup. If I'm not in frame, please forgive me. I'm going to pause this for just a quick second and I will be right back. Alrighty, we are back. I am going to put the February 14th on my thumb. The one image I forgot, or the one finger I forgot to do. Put the wrong image. That's alright. Take off any excess off your stamper. And we are going to line it up. Hopefully lined up right. That didn't quite come out right either. It's not that off. So I think below I'm going to put these hearts here. I do like those. Those came out nice. I'm going to remove the excess. And I'm going to put those along the bottom of my thumb. There we go. I think that turned out kind of cute. A little crooked on the Valentine's, or the February 14th. Sorry about that. Not going to go back in and redo it. Ouch. So I'm going to clean my plates. Already cleaned my stamper. Put those away for now. Close up everything. I am going to go in with my Born Pretty No Smudge Top Coat. I use this on everything that I stamp. It's like a must-have, a go-to. a golden rule, whatever you want to call it. Make sure you wipe off one side of the brush really well. Get you a nice bead. I'm going to start on my index finger, I don't even know what finger it is. Usually I film during the, oh nice. I'm going to stop and take care of that right now. Usually I film early in the morning, and it's not early in the morning, it's at nighttime. And so yes, usually I film after I've only been up a couple hours. This is now a little while before bedtime. So the stamping polish is gone. Oh, we had a lot on us too. A whole lot. So that's all gone now. We are going to go back to sealing in our stamping. Once down the middle, once down each side, back down the middle again. That is like, to me, a golden rule. But it's not just because it's stamping. Anytime you're painting your nails, this is how it should be done. I've seen people with gel, so I do think it is different. Because, I don't know, just because. I don't know much about them, so we're not going to go into that can of worms. I'm going to let this dry for, whoops, just a brief second. Then I'm going to go in with my, this is, whoops, just knocked something over. This is new to me. It is Sweet and Sour Lacquer Gloss Sauce Quick Dry Top Coat. This was a gift given to me by a dear friend. I want to thank her, Brenda. Thank you for your gift and your package that I received. This is Quick Drying Top Coat. I've not used it yet. This will be a first for my Valentine Manny. I'm going to give it just a second to sit. What do you think so far? I really like it. Leave me a comment down below and let me know your thoughts. I'm curious to what your thoughts are on my Valentine stamping. This has got a nice wide brush. You don't need to do very many strokes with it. You could get away with doing 3 instead of the 2. Seal the end of your nails. Whoops. There we go. Cap them, cap them, cap them. Don't forget to cap your nails. I'm liking this top coat so far. So there we go. Our Manny is sealed in and secure. I don't know how long it takes for this one to dry. Ooh. I don't know how long it takes for this one to dry, so I'm not really going to quite test it out. I'm just going to let it sit here and chill. Let it dry. So yes, folks, this is my Valentine's Manny for Ladies of YouTube. Ladies with a Z, not an S. Remember, there's a comment pinned. You'll see it. Click on it. Check out all their videos. If you're not already subscribed, please do so to theirs and mine. Leave me a comment. Let me know that you are here. I'd greatly appreciate that. So yeah, this is the end of my video. I hope you like this. Have a blessed day. Happy Valentine's Day.